of the words in this video. So now, for your final slang lesson, hope you've been taking notes. Let me break down a few more. More relaxed.
Like make it super saucy.
Hi everyone, it's Sohana and welcome back to Talk Beauty to Me with Tira and Maybelline New York. My lips are totally bare. It feels incomplete, right? Exactly why doing my lips is my favorite step, and this episode is all about that. Let's talk about glosses, lipsticks and how they pull together every single look, and why the biggest chunk of my makeup collection has always been my stash of lipsticks, especially nudes. And why I haven't done my lips yet, I had to show you the coolest thing on Tira, the virtual try-on. Honestly, I can't find an easier way to find and shop for the perfect shade without even leaving my couch. Hands down, one of my favorite ranges is the Teddy Tints. Let's explore the shade. That's how easy it is. Okay, maybe we have a second winner. Okay, so I never usually go for a bright pink blush, so that's possibly why I haven't tried this before, but Cool Grunge looks so good. And a third. Okay, I have to stop. At this point, I feel like I own every shade of the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink liquid lipsticks, but there's one shade I'm super partial to. It's called Lippy, and it's my go-to lipstick that I'll reach out for on most days. It's that perfect, effortless color that literally goes with every occasion. You know that ache when your lipstick fades all weirdly and gets all patchy? Yeah, the vinyl ink could never. It's just a high shine statement lip that stays. For a quick game, let's find the perfect beauty match for every scenario on the Tira app, because whatever the plan, there's a product that just gets you. For brunch with the girls, we have Teddy Tint. It's a tint, a lipstick and a blush all in one, so it's perfect for brunch. The Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation and the Tira Foundation Brush. I cry in almost every single movie, even the funny ones, so I'm definitely picking the Sky High Mascara to make sure that my face doesn't look scary when I leave the cinema. Self-care Sunday, I'm picking the Gua Sha tool. It's just one of my favorite ways to just slow down and unwind and get a quick massage. It means a lot of sweating, a lot of dancing and singing, so I'm definitely going for the vinyl ink because I know it's not going to work. When it comes to lipsticks, I need them to survive the ultimate test, my favorite foods. And trust me, I am not a delicate eater. So Maybelline, did you create this line especially for me? Because the shade range includes all my favorite sauces. Today we're putting the new Maybelline Vinyl Sauce collection to the test. I love coffee, and a dash of caramel is just the extra bit of indulgence I need. Nothing beats crispy fries with a smoky barbecue dip. Try it and thank me later. Like, ew, like disgusting. Like you're giving me the ick if you're not using Maybelline and shopping at Tira. Like someone who thinks they don't need to apply SPF. Totally. Could never is like there's just no possibility of that ever happening, and it just could never be me. Wearing a patchy lipstick, my lips could never. That's not gonna happen, Maybelline. And that's a wrap on today's episode and the series, for now at least. I've had so much fun sharing my favorite products, beauty memories and just chatting with all of you guys. And don't worry, this isn't goodbye forever. There's always more beauty chats to come, especially with a chatterbox like me who can go on and on talking about beauty all day long. But for now, I'll leave you with this. Beauty is all about finding what makes you feel good. So own it, have fun with it, and don't be afraid to experiment. And a big shout out to my Tira and Maybelline crew for being a part of this journey, and for all of you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Bye!